Okay. Today we will discuss about the biogas plant. Okay. In biogas plant, the gas released is CO2 and methane. You need to differentiate between greenhouse gas and the biogas. Okay. And a hydrogen gas. Biogas plant. In this, the dung of animals, and dung means excreta. Second, kitchen and household waste items is stored in chamber A, this is chamber B, and this is chamber C. Kitchen waste, what items are garbaged out in the kitchen? Kitchen garbage or kitchen waste or garbage. It includes mainly biodegradable items. Most useful item for formation of biogas. This is the waste item stored in the A tank and slightly transferred into the large tank, that is B. Okay. Household waste items. Kitchen waste includes the fruit, vegetables, peels, leftover food items, leftover foods. Okay. All these items are stored and mixed with the water in tank A. In tank B, anaerobic condition is created. In this anaerobic condition, these waste material are oxidized. Okay. Digestion takes place. Digestion of waste solution takes place in tank B and gobar gas produced. Gobar stands for the cow dung. That's why it is known as the gobar gas. Gobar means cow dung, cattle dung. It is mainly used in the village area because a lot of cattle is present in the village area and a lot of dung is collected as the mountain of the dung. Okay. It is converted into the biogas. Village area mainly by the Indian Agriculture Research Institute and Khadi Village Industrial Commission. These are the two organizations that promote biogas production. Important. Its head office is in the New Delhi, Indian Agriculture Research Institute. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And Khadi Village Industry Commission, IC, Industry, C, Commission. Okay. They guide the people how to make the biogas. It would be better to visit in a village to understand the mechanism of the biogas production as well as what are the uses. In this dung material and waste material is converted into the fertilizers. Okay. These fertilizers used in the organic farming, most important. Organic farming means pollution-less farming and without use of pesticides, chemical as well as insecticides, weedicides, and it is also the part of integrated agriculture. This fertilizer is manure produced by the slurry. In tank B, slurry is formed. Okay. As soon as slurry makes the CO2 and CH4, this tank will come upside and gas will produce. From this outlet D, this gas is collected and used for cooking, means as the LPG, substitute of LPG as well as lightning. There are two uses of the biogas. You can also use in the for many purposes like fuel for the LPG as well as the cooking as well as heater as a heater you can use because it will produce the chemical energy as well as radiant energy. These two institutes are important. Khadi Village Industries Commission. Okay, Indian Agriculture Research Institute already you have studied. In chapter number 2, biological classification, you have studied the 3 types of archaebacteria. Which one is present in tank B? Methanogens, very good. Here, methanogens are present, means it will produce the methanes. Methanogens, Methanococcus, Methylophilus, okay. These bacteria are also found in the rumen of cattle. Ruminants. Same gas is produced by the ruminants. So already methanogens is present. Naturally it is present. Methanogens present naturally. No need to add any inoculum. Naturally present. Waste material is dumped off, disposed of, as well as fertilizer is gained. 2 important. And these fertilizer are not target specific. There is no any damage to the environment. That is known as the organic farming. It is used as a organic fertilizer. Clear?